Ready?
Get it, Rigby.
Should I put it in that corner in the back behind him?
Sure.
Ready? Go get it, buddy. Go get it.
Woo! Okay, we got it. Woo.
Too close to them, they know our cover.
Oh! Woo!
Oh, it's a bird.
This little kid's on our team. Yeah!
Get him, get him!
Yeah! Oh, close. Oh,
So
almost.
close.
Woo! Yeah! Oh, nice throw!
You got him.
Yeah! Get the car! Oh! Get it, Mike! Nice! Cars, so many! Yeah!
Taxi knows what's up. It's straight up.
Yeah.
I've been through this before. Alright, this is...
Woo! I hit pretty hard. No.
Got like claw shoes.
Oh, nice. Like from Antarctica? Huh? Like from Antarctica? Hold on, I'm just walking right here. Okay, it's still here. Our car is still here.
Oh.
This is our car.
Oh, it's cool.
God help us.
No, it was cool. It did have...
Come on, Rigby, this way.
Oh,
Come on, buddy. Go home. Go home, buddy. Nope, wrong one.